Here's player number 6. Sabdan. Attacks it. No good. Rebound by player number 23. Pass to play para player number 9. Pura jumper. No good. Offensive rebound by player number 24. Turnover para sa Bani Batas. Here's player number 30, setting a play, top of the key. Here's player number 3, crossover move, Higgins screen, where's the 3, from downtown, 3. And there's the player number 30. Harassing it. Beloy. Crossover move. Bigay sa gitna. No good. No good again. Rebound by player number 24. Pass to player number 23. Fire the 3. From Banda. 3. Back-to-back 3 as well sa Fatima Dos. Here's Sabdan. Again ang bola. Sabdan again. Pass to player number 10. 2 points by player number 23. Here's Sierra. Bigay sa ilalim. Ready for timeout. Here's Beloy. Takes 3 from Ganda. 3. Sierra again. Babawi. Timeout. Sabang. 18-16 and Billboard sa Fatima Dos. And 21 seconds for our first quarter. Here's player number 30, Saris. Pass on the side, Novello. No good. Definitely alive. Off the glass. Para kay Novello. Player number 10. So player number 23. Rebound player number 25. Pass to Beloy. Beloy. Bigay sa ilalim. Pass on the side. Watson. 7 on the line. Turnover. Ball goes Fatima Dos. Miscommunication para sa Fatima Dos. Turnover. Here's Beloy. Kicks on the side. No good. Rebound by player number 23. Takbo naman ang kablo. Player number 23. Shot block. Offensive rebound by player number 27. Pass to player number 10. And gets a 3. Gets a 2. Para na player number 10. Beloy again. Paso. Player number 23. To player number 2. No good. Steal. Here's player number 9. To 23. Back to player number 9. 6 on the side. Back to 2 points back kay player number 10. Player number 25, Novello. Back to player number 25, no good. Rebound by player number 23. Back to player number 9, Villanueva. To 23, Ronaldo Andre. There's player number 30, Beloy. Pass to player number 5. To player number 2, Steven Villanueva. Here's Fernandez to Villanueva. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Fernandez, down. No good. Here's player number 2. Steal. Player number 10. Goal of cover. Basket para kay player number 23. Substitution. Player number 20, racing player number 24, player number 0. Followed by player number 23. Player number 10, sa gilid. Oras. Here's player number 24. Sevillano. Deviliano, Ipocorante. Kick to other side. Offensive rebound. No. Foul by player number 10. Horas. First personal foul. First foul para sa Fatima Das. At the shooting line, player number 2. Player number 3, Villanueva. 3 out of 3 situation. Here's Ronas, back to player number 27. Steal, here's Emiliano. To player number 2. No good. The ball goes on. Fatima Das. Down by 1 minute. Here's the player number 16. Passes Guerra. Long 3. No. Prima Beleno. Miscombination. Passes the back. Third number. Steal. Here's the Villana. Pass to De Castro. Atake. Foul by player number 27. First personal foul, second team foul. From Ronaldo. Okay. Izquierda. Double rebound. Turnover. Para sa Fatima. Here's De Castro. Under pass. There's Izquierda. Second play. Another miscommunication para sa Fatima Das. Turnover. Early turnover para sa Fatima Das. Janela. Steal. Here's Osorio. Staying the ball, one sa Panimados. 19 seconds on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot. Isquera. Bigay sa ilalim. Steal. Here's Galara. Back to Eno. Back to Galara. Back to Eno. Long three. Rebound, player number 16. Takbo naman ang blue. Off the glass. 2 points. By player number 16. Galara, alasing it. 22 players of Panimados. On the pass. Player number 2. At nakasakit ng ball by player number 19. Player number 19. First personal ball. First team ball for first quarter. Stay the ball, focus na ball. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Play go. There's the ball again by player number 19. Second personal foul. Team ball number 2. At the shooting line. Player number 2. Attempt nyo sa team. Ball by player number 24. First the ball. First personal ball. Team ball number 1. Here's Esquera. Pass Osorio. Back to Esquera. Hey! Esquera. Rebound, second team. Pass to Delara. Eno. Back to 3. Rebound by player number 19. Pass to Zanadel. Osorio. No good. Rebound by Delara. Turno. Turnover. Here's Granadel. Player number 12. To Esquera. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Player number 19 sa ilalim. 2 points. Player number 9. Gonzaga. 3. Here's Villanueva. Back to Esquera. Pass to Grace Ilalim. Spin the ball para sa Panimados. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Esquera. Atake ng leader. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Run away, wait. Norman. Stay in the ground. Panis sa ball. Panimados sa banner. Granadel. Pass to player number 27. Back to Granadel. To Villanueva. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound by player number 9. Shot ball. The ball goes to Fatima Gao. Sabang rather. Warning for player number 24 for Sabang. Philip Jumper para kay player number 9. Ready for timeout. Fatima Dos. Esguera, player number 3. Pass to player number 27. No good. Rebound by player number 2. Pass to player number 24, to Villara. Back to Villara. To Eno. To Vicentiano. Time out. Fatima Dos. Here's player number 23. 6 to other side. To Esguera. To Bonas. 2 points para kay Bonas. Here's Beloy. To player number 9. Brown. 3. Open. Basket plus count. Followed by player number 19. Player number 19. Four personal foul. Keep on number 4. At the shooting line, player number 45. Arjun Evangelista. Here's Vargas to Villanueva. Evangelista. To Villanueva. Villanueva. Patas ng rebound. Here's Vargas. Pasok na yung line. No! Foul by player number 3. Taking on foul by player number 3. A sportsmanlike foul. Player number 3, first personal foul. Penalty. Here's Esquera. Kalapin. Bounce the bola. Cecil. Here's the 99. Bounce the Ventran. Foul by player number 3. Esquera. Second personal foul. Penalty at the shooting line. Player number 15. Bernardino Beltran. Here's Villanueva. William Jumper. Rebound by Pedernales. Pass to Sierra. Pace. Takes screen. Kevin Kalay. Pedernales from Davao. Go. All by player number 3. Here's Villanueva. Passes Villanueva. The ball inside. Sabah. Substitution. Timeout. Fatima Dos. Here's the video. Back to Benoy. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Benoy. Long 3. Rebound by Villanueva. Passes Sierra. Passing play para kay Pedernales. Here's Beltran. Pass to Evangelista. Steal. Esquera. Back to Boras. No. Boras again. Down by 2 points ang Kalawan sa ball. Down by 1 minute. Beltran. Calling. Comelio. number 10. Player number 10, second personal foul, penalty. David Bebeloy. Foul to player number 13. Offensive foul. Player number 2. Player number 20, first personal foul. Here's Beltran. 10 seconds on the game clock. 6 seconds to shoot. 1 second, time the shot clock. Again, 1 second. 3 seconds. And the second quarter, official score 43-48. Here's Granadel. Bullet jumper, no! Hindi mo kayo Beloy. Back to Faustino. Back to Beloy. Back to Faustino. To player number 9. Jeffrey Nanay. Villanueva. Senior ball para sa Panimanas. Ilaw po namatay. Yung ilaw po namatay. SK po ng San Manuel. Again, SK po ng San Manuel. SK po ng San Manuel. Ilaw po. Makikisuyo lang po sa ilaw. SK po ng San Manuel. Hindi po makita. SK po ng San Manuel. Tayo dito sa vlog po, Irino po. Hindi po makapagsimula. SK po. SK po ng San Manuel, dos. All players, please proceed to respective benches. All players, please proceed to respective benches. All players, please proceed to respective benches. Ayusin na po. Foul by player number 24, Civiliano, for Panimados. First personal foul. Team ball number 1 para sa Bani Batos. Basket ng second shot para kay player number 2. Here's Villanueva. Steal. Player number 2. On the pass. Back to Bedoy. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Turnover by the Batos. 7 another. Here's Villanueva. Back to Rivera. Pass to play. Fidel-Nanes. Leaving it there wide. Fidel-Nanes. No. Di ba pwede na din? 6 on the side. From Bala. 3. Another 3 para kay Fidel-Nanes. Player number 23. Here's Seno. Pass to Bedoy. 13 seconds on the shot clock. From Bala. 3. Ball by player number Player number 2. First personal foul. Team ball number 1 forwards the ball. Here's Bedoy. Player number 13. Pass to player number 2. Back to player number 2. To Palestino. Player number 1 sa ball. The ball goes off. Fatima goes. Player number 16 and player number 27. Replacing the player number 24. Player number 9. Fidel-Nanes. Rebound to kay Nainay. To Faustino. Back to kay Nainay. Here's Fernandel. Back to play. Third line by player number 16. Seal. Here's Fidel-Nanes. Vito Malay. Here's Sevillano. Player number 24. Setting a play, pass to Eno. Back to Sevillano. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Samson. Pass to Eno. Sevillano to Faustino. Rebound by player number 24, Sevillano. Pass to Samson. Back to Sevillano. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Samson. Stay in the ball para sa bang. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Faustino. No. Rebound by Samson. Basilito Samson. Here's Fernandel. Passes Guerra. Full cover. Rebound by Sevillano. Paso by Sino. Looking for teammate. Bueno. No, Samson. Pastelito, Samson. Ready for timeout. Esquerra, atake. Foul by player number. Basket was foul by player number 3. Foul by player number 6. Fatima Dos. Player number 6, first personal foul. Nagawin ang bonus shot para kay Esquema. Here's Severiano. Player number 24. Severiano, setting a play, Cosino, Tumorante, off the glass, Tumay, following Morante. Villanueva, Kings on the side, Salas, to Izquierda. Traveling violation. For Fatima Dos, the ball was on Sabah. Here's Samson. Pass to Severiano. To Borosino. To Samson. William J. Off the glass. Pastelito, Samson. Check. Porcino. Balaga. Basket plus count. Foul by player number 3, Izquierda. Izquierda, third personal foul. Pico number 2. At the shooting line. Player number 28. Joel Bostina at the shooting line, shooting 1. Basket, Pico para kay Bostina. Here's Villanueva. On the pass, Jonas. Here's Bueno, Tumorante. Ang ball was on Fatima Dos. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. The ball was on Team Sabah. Here's Villarreal, player number 31. Sending a play, tapos sa key. Player number 9, to Samson. Foul by player number 9. Villanueva. Villanueva committed. First personal foul. Sipa number 3. 50 ball. The lead is by Sabah. Here's Villanueva, crossing it. Rosario. First Llega. 40 seconds after shot na. Ang paglas. 2 points play. Player number 9, Villanueva. Tanay. Full game. Tanay again. Terminalista. Tanayana. Traveling direction. Turn over. Tanay sa Fatima Gas. Here's Faustino. Santon, Rosierita, Samson. Here's Boras, Paso Sorio, Baron Boras. First Guerra. Block. Villanueva. Dellara, Paso Play. Tomastino. Here's Faustino. Player number 28. Faustino, crossing it. Paso Santon. Rosierita, Samson. Here's Villanueva. Sinal. Here's Rosierita. Paso Faustino. Del Faustino. Isgara. Take away. Duncan. Devante Samson. Paso Faustino. Paso Dellara. Evangelista. No. Di ba by player number 20? Ball by player number 31. There's Dellara. Here's Tabello. Player number 23, Dellara. Otak sa middle. Tabello, Torno. No, di ba by Granadel? Granadel, takbo ka ng kabo. Here's Granadel. No, di ba by Tabello? Cross Tabello. Cross up the ball. Pass to Dellara. Asa Glass. No, di ba by Evangelista? No. Ball by player number 31 rather, Dellara. Ball by player number 30, Beloy. Second personal foul, Kimba number 2. Here's Pedernales. Back to Rosario. Back to Pedernales. Bata. 3. Another 3 para kay Pedernales. Traveling variation. Third cover. Here's the Evangelista. Paso Eno. Tabello. Evangelista. Here's Granadel. Pedernales, Osorio, Faye, attack sa middle. No, di ba kayo ng Melissa? Pass to Beto, iwas sa Bimon. Pass to Delara. Toeno Melissa. Hardy Evangelista. Here's Granadel, fouled by player number 23, Barsawa. First personal foul, team ball number 3. Belana, Tomelo. Jonathan Navelo. Granadel. Pass to player number 27. Here's Saavedra, fouled by player number. Who's called red? 45, Evangelista. Here's Saavedra. The player number 20. The player number 7. Here's Beloy. Pass to Delara. Tomelo. Open glass covered. Remember Osorio. Here's Tom Osorio. Ito, Granadel. Back to Osorio. Off the glass. Here's Leno, Tomelo, back to Leno, Pedelana, Toeno, 6 seconds on the shot clock, Abello, 2 points by Abello. Here's Dylan, but Abello, stealing by Evangelista. Shot clock. Here's Leno from London, Hey! Called by player number 31, Delara. Third personal foul, penalty at the shooting line. Jering Saavedra.
Parang phone eh, nakapilay-pilay.
Here's Sevillano, pass to Beloy, 5 minutes. Eno, long 3. Offensive rebound by player number 2. Steal, here's Delara, Rosa. Steal by Eno, pass to Delara, back to Eno. To Sevillano, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 87-65. Nabawasan. Fatima Dos. Here's Saavedra. Jerry Saavedra. Here's Kanay. Steal. You still going there, number 13, Osorio. Kalosikit. Steal. Ball by player number 13, Osorio. Second personal foul. People number 1 for Fatima Dos. Here's Senok, Zubiniano, Kanay, Raymond De La Rosa, pass to Osorio, to Saavedra, on the pass, De La Rosa, ball by player number player number 2. At the shooting line, shooting crew, player number 19. Benvin De La Rosa. May mga player number 2. Steal by player number 19. On the last. Benvin De La Rosa. Here's Zubiniano. Pasarino. Here's Senok. Pass to Zubiniano. Traveling variation. The ball goes on. Fatima Dos. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. For fourth last quarter. Izquierda. First play. Viva Matanzon. Foul by player number 19. De La Rosa. De La Rosa. Fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Here's Beloy. Pass to Samson. Pass to player number 4. Chudelio. Goal. Second on the shot clock. Player number 2. Bullet J. Izquierda. The ball goes on. Team off the ground. Here's Senok. Last 2 minutes. Abello. Gets the 2 from Abello. De La Rosa. Here's Bello. He goes on the road. Pasarino. Steal. Here's Vinegar back to izquierda. Passing play para De La Rosa. No. Saavedra. Yes, Meloy. Pasolino.